Hello and welcome to today's YouTube video, where we will take a closer look at GSPN Technologies, a leading IT staffing and services company which is currently hiring for their Java developer Training-Cum job program. If you are interested in a career in IT or are a recent graduate looking to gain some hands-on experience in the field, then be sure to stick around and learn more about this exciting opportunity. GSPN Technologies is a company that has been in business for over 10 years and specializes in providing IT staffing and services to businesses of all sizes. They are committed to finding the best talent in the industry and helping their clients achieve their business goals through innovative technology solutions. Their Java Developer Training-Cum job program is designed to provide with the necessary knowledge and training required to become a successful Java developer. The program is a paid training program that lasts for approximately 4-6 weeks and is open for recent graduates, entry-level developers, and individuals looking to switch careers. During the training program, you will receive hands-on experience on Java programming, as well as guidance from experienced developers. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to work on real-world projects and develop a portfolio of work to showcase your skills to potential employers. Upon successful completion of the training program, you will be offered a full-time position as a Java developer with GSPN Technologies. Eligibility criteria for the position includes background in computer science or related field, familiarity with Java programming language, and willingness to learn and grow in your role. Additionally, having excellent communication and problem-solving skills will make you a strong candidate for the job. 100% placement and money-back guarantee. Come and join GSPN Technologies now.